Welcome to today's class. This is Omolaye Olaleko, a fashion tutor, aka Omolaye Fashion. In today's class, I'll be teaching you how to achieve this beautiful ruffle with back and work. I'm going to use this net to make a ruffle on a little girl, a year-old girl dress. I want to advise that whenever you're making use of net, if it's not the straight type, you iron it out and let it be well folded. The way I did it, fold it very well. This is how it's going to look when you curl it out. It's going to be of this size, 1.5 inches. Run the stitches at the center of the net like this. Then you pull one of the thread. You have two for the front and the back. So you pull one of the thread. You already have the ruffle. Hope you can see it. It's already taking shape. The ruffle is already taking shape. You pull it to the end of the net. You can see the way I'm doing it. Then you open it up like this. You have a beautiful ruffle. This is how it's going to look. This is the ruffle. Each one will look like this. I'm making the ruffle at the lower part of the dress. It's a 1-year-old girl dress. The measurement between the lines is 1 inch. I use the ruler to do that. At the hem here is just ½ inch. Then the next one is 1 inch. I have 7 lines there. You can make it any numbers of lines or as desired, but ensure you use a straight ruler before you sew the ruffle on it. It's at the back, and so also it's ruled at the front of the dress. Start the sewing of the ruffle from the center back and place it on the line. You rule the straight line, then you stitch. Place it like this. You know I told you to open it up, and if possible, double stitch. On the same line, you have the loose stitches. Just place it like this because you're a beginner or this is the first time of doing it. You just have to be careful. I've sewn the ruffle on the first line. Can you see it? This is the first line, this is the back, and also the back and the front. So you follow the lines till you get to the end of it. Make sure it's well placed before you sew it on the dress. This is the second and the third line. Wow, I'm loving this. See the beautiful ruffle on the dress? Yes, you can achieve this also on a lady's dress, on a teenager's dress, even on your sleeve. Give it a try. It's so lovely. This is Stay Your Fashion Tutor, Omolaye Olaleko. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Connect your friends and loved ones. Let's meet in the next class. Bye for now.